dancing on the
Perfect timing! What the heck? I still have to buy like a few groceries, hot dogs and stuff. Where did you come from?
Just from home. I missed the churn, so I went down. I tried to turn.
I was like, yo, that's a nice car. Oh, it has sweet gold. Wait, what the heck? That's good too. That's crazy. It looks good. It looks good. It's good for sunlight. It actually blocks so much UV.
Yeah.
Perfect timing. Okay, I'm gonna park. Leave the dog in here, but might as well start the vlog. All right, so today is the day of our soft opening. So the toys are out. I was taking the turn to come to Co-op here to buy a few more supplies, hot dogs, because we're doing a small barbecue. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but yeah, I see this kid's car, so it's perfect. We're bringing Gohan along as well. Put the windows up.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard.
Quick stop at Tim's. Because what is a cars and coffee without the coffee? Hi, we're gonna be ordering one of those big coffee boxes, if that's okay.
Take 12?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Could we do a hot chocolate version as well?
With a hot chocolate as well? Anything else?
The largest size of Timbits you have.
50 Timbits?
Yeah, sure. That'll be it, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, Baba. Let's go. Woo. That looks crazy. Yeah, that's it. How do you say sister in Punjab?
Punjabi?
Yeah.
Isabel.
Isabel?
Bahen, Bahen.
Bahel?
Bahen, no.
Bahel, no. What? I don't know. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, Sukriya.
We are just park, okay?
Sure, these guys know me too well. They call me Kuya. What the heck? Look both ways before you cross. Perfect. Alright, we just gotta wait for a coffee. We're chilling, doggy. We're almost there, okay?
Gohan matches your car when he sticks his head out the window. It's part of the car. You know how the boats have like a dragon head on the head? That's him.
Actually, that's what he's based off of. Those temple dogs. I don't let him in the Supra. Dude, his paws are all over the center console and scratches all over the side. I'm like, no, no thanks. Not yet, anyway. When I got my Lotus, maybe. No, just kidding. The two gold members. They look so good together. Except, I still really gotta do something about this. You guys can tell, the reason why it kind of shines green, reddish, is because this is a chameleon color, not gold. And because I ran out, so I had to use it in some areas. Also like the side skirt, you can tell. Damn. If you look, Gutu just got his windows tinted with the same material that I have on my car. Shines gold to black. It's pretty cool. Actually, on this side, you kind of see it a little better. Yeah. Crazy. Hi, Ducky. Hi, it's me. Oh, perfect. Hi, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's the hot chocolate.
Sure, I can grab that. Yeah.
One by one.
Awesome. Thank you, thank you. Yo, Goots, I'll put it in the back seat. Thank you
For the
so
hot
much.
chocolate cup.
Sure.
And this is
Awesome. Appreciate that. Coffee acquired. All right, Gutu. Wait, I was looking at the camera. Off to the shop. We're 20 minutes late. I am. Gutu's on time. Guys, if you don't know who Mayor Hawthorne is, I feel bad for you. Go search him up right now. I think he actually started another band afterwards called the Tuxedo or White Tuxedo or something like that. None of the businesses are open right now, so we're gonna figure out the parking situation in front as well. Here, I'm just gonna park here. Sweet, dude. All right, we're here. It's a little bit windy, but we're gonna start rearranging some of the cars. Gonna move the Celica GTS out of here, but you can just park in there for now, if you can get up. Thanks for coming early.
Oh yeah.
You gotta move some of the cars around, and I still...
Yeah, better hide this.
This too, man. Morning, Eddie.
Morning, sorry I'm late.
Late? We're late, dude. We still gotta set up. Woo! We did most of the cleaning up yesterday, but wall is finished. And over here, most of the merch that we want out on the floor is pretty much up. Just gotta figure out the system because we haven't had our store open to public for like 5 months since we moved out of the old shop, which we actually still have, but figure that out later. And get the coffee out of Gutu's car. Actually, luckily for me, I met Gutu on the road coming here. I would have had to fit everything in my car. That would have meant taking off my spoiler, and it would have just added more time, and I'm already late. You know what they say about Filipinos running on Filipino time. Nice. We got music. Wait, that's from that thing? What? Thank God for Gutu and his sedan. Sometimes 4-doors are helpful, I guess. That's only if you plan on having a family. This is my family. Family. No, that's what I got the XB for. Hi, ho.
Hi, ho.
We got the Timmy hose. Oh wait, I have a dog in the car. Look at him, he's ready. My child. I haven't forgotten about you. Yo, basically, we have this entire road. And I'm planning on, if we get too packed, using that sign and just putting it at the end so it's actually closed off. It's a lot of space. And like I said, for Sunday, none of the businesses here are open right now, so. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Come on, buddy, come on, pal. 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 It's your problem now. Yeah, no, it's the base model is a FRS, but Toyota. Yeah, Toyota FRS. That's our shop behind us, actually. Yeah. Just try to make like Hot Wheels looking cars, I guess. You too, guys. See ya. Oh, bro, I wasn't paying attention. Is it worth it to keep going?
No.
Okay.
No, you don't want to keep going.
Gohan's like, you straight, mother.
Oh no, chill. It's pulling the bumper off.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Turn it, like, look it this way.
Yo, chill. Dude, I'm nervous. Who's that? He's so excited. Aww. Who's that? There's already a few cars here. Oh, I lost another bolt. Let's see.
Oh, 1C.
All right, we're gonna bring this to the back and then probably change the wheels out, make it look a little prettier. Probably take this shit off too.
The content of files.
What's up, Sonny? See what's up. Thanks for coming by. Welcome. Yeah, definitely, man. Help yourselves. Right on. All right. So looks like people were waiting right for 11. This is pretty cool. Yeah. I still gotta get the car set up in the back, dude. But yeah, there's quite a few people here already. It's pretty dope. Good morning. Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Oh, take a video.
Kind of parked the wrong way on the street.
Oh, that's okay, man. This place is ours for today. Sweet, man. We got the crew parked up out front. I might move the XB, but still gotta get the cars in the back rearranged. We'll move the RX-8 inside. He's gone, so. Go on! What the heck, dude? Kid's free. What are you doing, dude? Yo, parents are here. What do you think of the wall painting that? Yeah, please watch him. He escaped through the back because the garage is open. So, thank you. It used to be all split into 3, actually. Really? That's why they're all different numbers.
I saw you break it down
like walls and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. That's what, like, this always be one, right? Yeah. Lots of work.
And that's a huge upgrade. And
No,
much more
Ryan,
time.
thank you so
Yes,
much.
Birdy.
What the heck, man?
Nice see.
Appreciate you for
Good luck.
stopping by.
Thank you for yeah.
Thanks, man.
It's for good luck.
Decals.
Blessing. Yeah, congrats on the place, man.
Yeah,
Huge
appreciate that.
props.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, these guys came down from Edmonton. Like today?
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's not even all that far anymore.
No, it was like
The last minute.
Yeah, come chill out for a bit, man.
whatever. Fuck it.
Yeah. Damn, April and it's snowing. Jeez, but it's good for photos, right? Look at this kid's outside. That's awesome, dude. I'm the only one not wearing my mask.
Use later. Nope, cap.
You can try a lighter one, maybe the way that you
What was that? Make some darts.
Nice!
Yo, yo. Check out what these guys are up to. Actually, you know what? Let's switch out the wheels while it's here. Put these back on, homie. Bent my crash bar up. It's because most of the mounting points on the side here are rusted, so I didn't want to risk it. But gold wheels are back on. I think the car's so much better. And I mean, you could lower it in the front a little more, but then I just don't want the fender and the side skirts to be too low to the ground. I messed up my crash bar. That looks good.
Something happened to your Suica, the window?
I stole all the parts from it. No, it's just after took out the engine, we forgot to roll up the windows, and it hasn't had power since. So
Garbage bag window?
yeah. Hey YouTubes, look at the hot dogs, guys.
It's microwave.
These kids microwave them, man. Who microwaves hot dogs?
Oh. No, I think he's out. No, it did.
He just appeared. Oh, it's Mo. What the heck? Whose eye is that? What the? That's dope. So this is Mo's new Beamer. Freaking badass, bro. Rocking some T's. And, of course, repping Eliminate. Shoutouts. And then an i8. This thing you don't see every day. Frick, dude. Oh. You know, in another life, I'd probably still see myself in the... Hey, I recognize. I've seen this i8 before. Just a couple of BMWs. Damn. Pretty badass, though. That's crew. And my GTS shell in the background. Look at that kid. Why? Hey, Gohan. Excuse me. Hey, what's up? Come on, come on. That's it. Meet over. I mean, it was a small, soft opening, so I wasn't really expecting too many people. But you know what? For what it is, it was a pretty good turnout. I think we're done here, yeah.
It was a good time.
Appreciate. I think we're gonna go for some fun now, while our Edmonton friends are still here. All right, sweet. It's not that far. I know. We didn't even think you were in there, dude. That's pretty good. It's better than mine, actually. You're right. You can see the silhouette on the top of my head, but this, you can't see anything. What? Okay, goodbye. See you, Brett. Enjoy, guys.
Yeah, make
see you
sure to
later.
remember Jesus today.
Go on. Your paws are dirty, dirty. Now imagine if I let him in the Supra. F that game. Let's get her. There's Eddie's new ride. Or that's his winter beater, but it looks good. Peace out, Eddie. Catch you tomorrow, homie. Here, there's Fatan. Gotta find my mask. You always gotta remember. Alright, we'll see you guys inside. Is that it? No, that's you're welcome. Ochoshami deshita. Thank you. Okay, well, we'll get one for the vlog before. Yeah, of course, man. Thanks for coming all the way from Edmonton. Thanks, Oscar. Always a pleasure to see you guys. Peace. They're driving back to Edmonton. Oh, here, I'll open the window. This guy's been so patient. Go on. Here, you can say bye-bye to your friends. There you go. There you go, baby. Peace, you too. Drive safe. And looks like it started snowing again. So, see you guys back at home. Come here, buddy. Thank you. What's up? What? What would you like? You've been out all day. What the heck? Go on. Let me finish this first. Come on. Hey. Don't do that. Thank you to everyone who came out today, showed some love and support to our soft opening. We are planning on having a grand opening later May. Today was really just to let you locals know that our new shop is open to public and you guys are allowed to visit us at any... Okay, chill. But yeah, later May, grand opening. We're gonna keep you posted. Just make sure you're following us on the social medias. And also a big thank you to all my buddies who helped out. Obviously, I couldn't have done it alone. You guys know who you are. Appreciate you. I think I'm just gonna end this video because this kid's so impatient. Say bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Peace.